Hi, I'm Katie with ActiveWall. Each unit is custom built to your rough opening dimensions. Before it leaves our facility, we test install every unit to ensure proper operation. Today we're going to show you 3 horizontal folding units as well as a pivot door. Come with me. These are 2 of 5 aluminum horizontal folding units going to a photography studio. Neat feature about these units is that they have tinted glass. This pivot door is made with thermally broken aluminum and insulated glass. It'll definitely add the wow factor to your home. This is an example of our solid wood system built with curly maple, and it also has an aluminum spline for strength and stability. This unit was built for a school, and they chose frosted glass so it could be used as a dry erase board.
Visit us today at activewall.com to learn more about our customization options.